Have you ever thought that your voiceover is weird or not professional after recording it? Do you want your voiceover to instantly grab your viewer's attention and evoke the emotions you aim for? Hi, I'm Josh from Wondershare DemoCreator. Today, I'll show you how to make your voiceover sound like a pro without expensive equipment. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss out on our future helpful videos with tips. Part 1. Factors that influence the voiceover quality. First, let me explain what makes a professional voiceover bring your script to life. Number 1. Audio clarity. We've all seen those videos where people try to sound professional by speaking way too close to the mic, but it only just makes us raise our eyebrows. Just like this. The audio ends up being hard to hear, and we might even skip the content entirely. So, your voice should be at the right volume, not too loud, not too quiet, and keep a reasonable distance from the microphone. Number 2, pronunciation. Make sure to speak clearly and pronounce every word correctly. Next, avoid mumbling your voice to keep your voiceover sounding professional without needing a complete redo. Also, pay attention to the consonants at the beginning and the end of every word. Finally, to prevent a dry throat, try to skip dairy and caffeine before recording to make the voiceover sound deeper and richer. Number 3, pacing and volume. The next factor in our list is pacing and volume. For this one, make sure your speaking speed doesn't confuse people. If you want to convey excitement or urgency, a faster pace works well. But for complex information, a slower pace is always better. Part 2, make your voiceover sound like a pro by enhancing your voice. So, finally, you see what you need to focus on for a polished delivery. Now, let me introduce you to a handy tool that can make your voiceover sound like a pro in seconds. Follow the steps to save yourself from spending hours learning about audio editing. Step 1. First, download the Wondershare DemoCreator from our website and install it on your computer. You can download it through the link in the video description below. Next, open it and click on the video recorder option, then the screen option. Step 2. From the toolbar, click the AI voice cleaner icon, which can help you reduce the background noise and beautify your voice. Step 3. Now click the red record button and start recording. After the recording, you will be brought to the editing page, and from here, you could finally apply the AI voice enhancer on your audio track, or just simply export the video directly. Part 3. Make voiceovers sound like a pro by changing the voice. If you don't want to show your real voice, but still want to make a professional voiceover, you could follow the next method. Use DemoCreator AI Voice Changer. There are many professional voice types in the DemoCreator itself, and those voices are featured with good audio clarity and pronunciation, and suitable for each pace and volume you wish. So let me walk through how to use them. Step 1. Open DemoCreator Video Editor. Next, click on the folder icon with a plus sign and import your audio clip from your computer into DemoCreator. Then, drag and drop your file onto the timeline. Finally, click on the AI Voice Changer option under the Magic Tools menu on the right side of your screen. Now, step 2. After that, select either educational or news broadcasting based on your project. These two voice types sound very professional.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
Once you're happy with the result, just export the file and use it in your next project.
Hi, I'm Josh from Wondershare DemoCreator.
And this is how to make your voiceover sound professional without spending money on audio engineers. Let us know what topic you want to learn more about in the comments below. And don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this. I'll be seeing you in the next one.